himself.
Jolly man, I hope you have a great Christmas.
I can't even see your
The amount of jolliness that you have. Jolly.
boy. Stop calling me
Jolly.
when you
Jollier.
to me. You are.
Jolly.
Do you want to know what you are? Do you want to know? Do you want to know what you are? You are the.
Jolliest. Holiest. The most festive man, getting ready for the wonderful time of the year.
You so fucking.
Jolly.
Very happy that you are preparing for Christmas.
You always
Hang ornaments on the tree.
Jolly.
as fuck. You are not.
Santa's little helper.
You are.
Santa himself.
Jolly man, I hope you have a great Christmas.
I can't even see your
The amount of jolliness that you have. Jolly.
boy. Stop calling me
Jolly.
when you
Jollier.
to me. You are.
Jolly.
Do you want to know what you are? Do you want to know? Do you want to know what you are? You are the.
Jolliest. Holiest. The most festive man, getting ready for the wonderful time of the year.
You so fucking.
Jolly.
Very happy that you are preparing for Christmas.
You always
Hang ornaments on the tree.
Jolly.
as fuck. You are not.
Santa's little helper.
You are.
Santa himself.
Jolly man, I hope you have a great Christmas.
I can't even see your
The amount of jolliness that you have. Jolly.
boy. Stop calling me
Jolly.
when you
Jollier.
to me. You are.
Jolly.
Do you want to know what you are?
Hey
Do
guys,
you want to know?
I actually woke up
Do you
early
wanna know
today.
what you are?
So happy.
You are the.
Jolliest. Holiest. The most festive man, getting ready for the wonderful time of the year.
You so fucking.
Jolly.
Very happy that you are preparing for Christmas.
You always
Hang ornaments on the tree.
Jolly.
as fuck. You are not.
Santa's little helper.
You are.
Santa himself.
Jolly man, I hope you have a great
Wait,
Christmas.
I'm gonna
I
search
can't
something
even see
up.
your
The amount of jolliness that you have. Jolly.
boy. Stop calling me.
Jolly.
Fuck. Ow, ow. Fuck. I'm downloading this video. Okay. I really don't. Okay. So. Yesterday we did like some random algebra shit just to, just to make me remember all the math stuff I learned 800 years ago. I'm actually doing something pretty interesting today. I actually got a burner account and I'm on Khan Academy to help me at least know what to learn for pre-calculus. Especially because the one topic I have no idea for is matrices and vectors. I think I know all the graphing stuff and the algebra stuff, but that, no, I don't. Unfortunately. Let me get some good music. Let's see. God, Charlie Kirk's YouTube channel is still uploading. Wait, what? This Charlie Kirk AI lo-fi, bro. What the fuck? What the hell is this? Mother. Okay, bro. By the way, where's my rectangle? Where'd it go? What the hell? Wait, hold on. What? Where is it? Wait, hold on, chat. There is a bit of an issue going on. Because there's supposed to be like a little rectangle under under the chat so you guys can actually see the messages, but where is it? It's not here. Oh my god! Why is it up there? What? What the fuck? It was above the screen. Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh hell nah. Charlie Kirk, why are you over there? I mean, you know what? There you go. You're now the chat. Hey, you're supposed to be here. There you go. I think I'm supposed to do some kind of filter. Let's turn down the brightness. Oh shit. Oh god. Oh shit. What the hell? Oh god. What do I do here? No, let's make it dark. What the hell? I'm sorry, Charlie Kirk. It's a little awkward. There you go. Over here. Why make Charlie Kirk black? Let's not comment on that. Let's not comment on that. Alright, let's get some background music. What background music should I get, guys? I don't know. Calculator for calculator. Duh. Edit it real good. I'll probably edit it later. Maybe like 2 hours into the stream I'll edit. Because like, you know. Charlie Kirk funk. Jesus Christ. I will say sex 7 some. All right. Wait. Jingle Bell Funk. Wait, I'm gonna search it up. What is this? Oh my. Man, this shit's some ass, bro. What the fuck? Oh my god, bro. Come on. I'm just gonna keep this on repeat. There you go. I can't even focus myself. Alright. Let's start with pre-calc. For calculator, by the way, not calculus. Alright. Evaluate composite functions. Oh. Okay, so it's g of f of minus 2. Alright, let's, how do I do this? How do I do this? I can't wait, hold on. Let me clone. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna put this down here. I guess I'm gonna get paint.net. Your mic's not loud. Hold on, let me check my... Hello? Oh yeah, I'm a bit... Hello. Hello. Alright, that should be good. Turn up my volume a little bit. Welcome to the whirow YouTube channel, you know. We're really brain rotted on the videos, but you know, we gotta get educated, you know. We gotta educational-ish ourselves here, alright? So you know how it is when it's 8 in the morning. You feel fucking dead inside. Bro, change the window! Alright. Here's paint.net. I guess I'll just keep this on. And then what I can do is like that, like this. It's much faster for me to do it on paper, but I'll just show you guys, you know, for the sake of the stream. G of f of minus 2. So all we have to do here is just evaluate f of minus 2. So this replaces with minus 2 and minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is just 0. So it's just z of 0. So 5 of 0 plus 4. Please tell me I'm right. Wait, did not work. Wait. Oh god. Oh. I have to get another window. I copy pasted it, which sucks. There you go. Put this on here. Here. Close this. Alright. Should be a 4, right? Alright, bet. Oh, you know, speaking of alright, bet. Funny story. I was in a hardware store yesterday, you know, trying to find something. And then, you know, lady came up to me, you know, one of the workers, and then, you know, their job is to, like, you know, help you figure out and shit. What happened was, you know, I asked her where this item was. And then she says, like, oh, it's in aisle 32. I was like, I bet. I didn't even say that by on purpose. That was just complete accident. Just straight up dumbass. And it isn't there. It was there, don't worry. Bro, I had to research, like, before this stream, I had to research what the hell this means. I think it means f of g of minus 11. I think it's this. I don't like this. What do you call it? Syntax? No. Denomination? No. What's the... God, I've fallen off. TikTok has brain rotted me. I can't remember anymore. Fog means function G instead of function F. It's 7. What do you mean it's 7? I didn't even solve it yet. Hold on. Alright, G of 11. So this is 14 minus 11. Right? G of 11. 14 minus 3. Which is 3. Root 3. And an F of root 3. 3 root 3. Okay, so that is... What is... Alright, 3 root 3 minus 8. Notation. There we go. That's the word. That's the word! Oh fuck, it's negative. Okay, bro. I'm sorry, I've fallen off. I was like, wait, why is it aren't you supposed to give a whole number as the answer? It was a negative the entire time, bro. Fucking idiot. So this is 5. Alright. So this is 5, so it's 15 times 5 minus 8. 7. Alright. Alright, bet. So the person was right. Fuck you for doing it before me, bro. I don't like you. What? Oh. Yeah, you're given this. Susan tried to evaluate f of g of minus 15, but she made a mistake. Here is her work. Alright. G of minus 15 is equal to 2/3 of minus 15, which is negative 10. Okay. And then you do... Oh, no. See, this is what I would have done. Like, I don't know why... What is this notation? It's like you're multiplying f times g. Like, what I would do if I didn't know, I would just get these two functions here, these two things, multiply them together, and then replace negative 15. That's what I would do. Anyways. Yeah, see, like, why is this the notation, bro? Well, can I please get a shout? I've been watching since you took down the Twin Towers. It's alright, bro. Maybe in a few years, you know, we gotta I almost said celebrate, god damn it. You know, we gotta wait a little bit, you know, I think it's a bit too early. Alright, f of h of minus 5. Let's see if I can do this mentally. H of minus 5 is equal to 10. So 10 over 10 minus 8, which is 5. Ooh! Diddy Blood's like so smart, bro. Graphs and tables. I don't want to keep doing composite functions, bro. Alright, we get it. The trends below show inputs and outputs of functions f and h. H of f of minus 2. Alright, f of minus 2 is minus 2. And then h of that is 2. Alright, I mean, this is what are we doing here? F of 0 is minus 3. So g of minus 3. Minus 1? Alright, cool. Goon Academy. I think there's a video about like gooning civilization. Let me search it up. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's real. Wait, f of minus 2, 0. G of 0 is... Alright. This is like so easy. G of 25 is 5, 1. Alright. Alright, this is the easiest thing in the world. Alright, let's skip this one. Let's go here. Determine a function is invertible. Alright, let's take a break. I think we know composite functions already. Gooning civilization. Oh no. Oh, by the way, if you guys, let me guys give you some funny shit. This Simba the God, I think she's a streamer. She made a video reacting to my thumbnails video. You know, appreciate it. It got like 60k views over like 2 weeks. It had Sabrina Carpenter as a thumbnail, right? And then she changed the thumbnail to Minecraft beating myself. And look at the views now. Look at it. It literally doubled in like the next 2 weeks. See, if you guys wonder why I change the thumbnails and titles a lot, this is why. They actually work. Look, what it got 60k in 2 weeks, it was gonna fall off. Change the thumbnail to Robro's video, and boom, doubled its view count for nothing. It actually worked for the YouTube thumbnails video also. I changed the thumbnail for like after like day 1, and then it has 1 million views now. So you gotta respect it.
This is gooning civilization. The first thing you have to do every day is go over to
Motherfuck. You know, I saw Instagram reels of this like 3 weeks ago. I didn't know. I'm gonna comment my alt account. You know what? No. I'm gonna comment my main account because I want swag. I want the likes. What the fuck? What's my comment? Commented it. You know, you gotta comment when you have the verified check mark.
Your gooning partner and goon with them. Okay, bro. Are you ready, man? Are you ready?
Yeah, man. I'm ready, man. Come on, just do it.
Okay, here I go, dude.
Bro.
Okay, now, bro, you do me. You do me.
All right.
Bro.
Here I go.
Once you're
Yeah. Oh my god! How many buckets do they have? Bro, what is this thumbnail? I'm not gonna watch it though. I don't want to associate with Roblox. Alright, no more Roblox. I might play Roblox on stream if I'm, you know, in the future. But don't expect any more videos of Roblox. Don't expect me to, you know, talk about Roblox aside from like a few times on stream. I'm not playing it. It is genuinely like so sad how far it's fallen. It is. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Determine the function is invertible. I'm gonna guess if you can switch the domain and range. I think that's what we're guessing here. If you can switch the x and y values or something. F is a finite function whose domain is letters A to E. The following table lists... Okay. Alright. Is F invertible? Yeah, look, I'm right. You can, you know, you can... Oh, wait. You can do this, this. Two domains can have the same range. Right? Fuck. No. Alright, well. I thought it was like two domains can have the same range. Is it? Let me think about it. 2.67 GPA. That's why we're studying in the first place. So we don't graduate with 2.67 GPA. What's your opinion on Twitter in the past week? I don't know. Hilarious, honestly. So I think there's a rule about like two range values having the same domain. The same x the same x value. Two x values have the same y value. Isn't that true? You can isn't that possible? Let's see. Let's see. If f maps x to y, then inverse means, you know, -1 maps y to x. We can look at a reverse direction and see if the results represent a function set on the right and set on the left. Functions can only have one unique output. Oh, I forgot. Alright, bet. So, you know, yes, this works, but we're talking about if you can invert it, which means this is the domain. And one domain can have two things. So, there we go. GG's! Alright. Wait, what? 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 Wait, hold on. What? Okay, bro. And it's not invertible. Yeah. I clicked it. What? Bro, what's the correct answer? Oh, maybe I have to do this. Oh. I honestly thought this was an exercise. I thought I didn't have to do this. I have to read the table. Oh fuck, I'm dumb. I honestly thought this was just like for fun. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Because like I thought it was just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not fucking reading. I'm not reading. Alright, this time we got it. Why do I have to drag the thing? Khan Academy is so weird sometimes. What is this? I have to drag and drop. I'm not like 3 years old. I have to like connect the dots, bro. But okay, sure. Whatever helps Sal Khan. There you go. All you have to know is that they all have different values. That's all you have to know. I don't want to do this. All right, let's just do. Let's just finish this shit. 1, 25, 4, 4. No. What the f? No. What? Oh my god, he is this. Okay, bro. Alright, bro. Bro, why is it all reversed now? I don't want to read, chat. I really don't want to read. Whatever. Hey, don't laugh at me for getting 2 out of 4 right when I don't want to read that stuff. Restrict domains of functions to make them invertible. That's interesting. Wait, there's no background music. Y'all are just probably like sleeping with how boring it is. Hold on, let me fix it for you guys. There you go. All right. Is not an invertible function. To which intervals could be this trick to make it an invertible function? Maybe from this one. Less than 2 to 5. -5 to 2. What is it? 3 to 6? This one. Bro. I'm actually falling off. Why am I actually stupid? Oh, check all that apply. I don't want to read the instructions. I'm not making it, guys. Alright, 3 to 6. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, okay, includes this one. What about -5 to -2? -5. Less than 2. Wait, all of them? What? Let me think this through. 2 to 5. 2. Oh, wait, chat. I think I know. I think it's because they have the same value right there. Look at that. 2 and 4 have the same value. That's why it doesn't work. 3 to 6. 3 is over here. 4, 5, 6. And 5. Oh. It's just B? Fuck you, bro. I'm right. Look at that. I got it. We have to make sure that no value is placed twice. That's what we have to know. Alright, this is actually a good lesson. I don't know this. Why does Whirow Loki like Robro's content? Robro's content is... Okay, let me give my honest opinion. Okay, Robro's the example of like a gimmick channel. You watch it for like 1 or 2 videos and then you never watch it again, bro. The joke gets old quick. Alright, that's all. That's my opinion. -6 and -2. -6. Until -2. Alright, that should work. I'm reading chat, hold on. -2 to 2, so -2 is like here to 2. Alright, that should work. And then 3 to 5. 3. Shouldn't all of them work? What? -2 to 2. -2's here. Shouldn't they all work? Wait, I'm actually like, what? Hello? B doesn't? -6 to -6 to -2. It just goes down 1. And -2 to 2 goes up 1. Shouldn't all of them work? Alright. Huh. Woo! Woo! I got scared for a bit. Alright, which intervals could we restrict domain of f to make an invertible function? 0 to 4, 0, 4. No, not A. -2 to 2, -2. But look at that, it includes -2 and 2, so this one. Alright, I'm so smart now. I'm super smart. What kind of function is this, bro? It look like... Never mind. Let's see. -7. -7 is like here to -5. It's like there. Alright. That works. What do you mean it's 5? 4 to 7. 4, 7, and then -1 to 3. I don't think this one will work. Yeah, look, what is this, bro? Where are we going? Oh, a bonus question. Yo, bonus question. Oh god, a tangent. Alright. -2 to 0. No. -1 to 1. No. 0.25 to 0.75. Let's see, look. 25 is like... Oh, this is 1. So like here, 0.75. Yeah. Yo, we're smart! All the other big streamers could never do this. Ludwig could never. Queso could never. Jinxie could never. We're so educational, chat. My fucking god, bro. Give me a streamer who can do this, who makes over $1 million a year. I don't think so. Because education is not important to rich ass motherfuckers. Now do indefinite. We'll get there in like stream 4 or stream 8. What is the value of h -1, 2, 3? Wait, how am I supposed to know? What? Okay, let me think about this. So h of 3, oh shit, is 10. How do I know? I'm gonna guess it's because it's gonna be 3 and 10. Let's go. Fuck. I don't know. How do we know? The answer is 2. Bro! Wait, I want the solution. What? Y equals 3? Oh, that's all you have to do? I was trying to do it because this is an exponential function. Alright. I forgot, inverse function, you just have to switch the x and y. So, all you have to do is just... If this is the y value... I mean x value, so just make this the y value and find the x. Alright. That's all you have to do. American. I'm not even American. What the fuck? Talk about all the American streamers who can't even do what I'm doing, bro. Your Wi-Fi is breaking. I'm sorry, I can't do anything about it. Alright. Which of the following is f of -1? Okay, it should be reverse. Wait, how am I supposed to know? Let's get an example. Let's say x is 2. Oh no. X is 3, y is 4. That means x is 4, y is 3. Let's get that. X is 4, y is 3. B. Oh! Bro, I'm like the smartest person on the planet, bro. Alright, g minus 1 of -11. So if -11, it's going to be 9. So this is the fuck you, what do you call it? X value. If this is x, this is y. But let's reverse it. So this is going to be the x, and this is going to be y. Wait, what are we looking for again? What did we look for in the previous question? We looked for the y value. Isn't it still negative? It was a 50-50. Wait, it's neither of them. Oh, wait, there's a -11 here. Oh, God, I'm cooked. It's this one. Because this is the x and y. But if we switch it, this is the y. And this is the x. Alright. Okay, we're learning. Bro, what kind of function is this, bro? What is 6? So let's get 6 is gonna be the y value. And what? What is this? This function is like so stupid, bro. So if it's 6, it's gonna be that. But we're looking at a y value of 6, and it's 3. Who said -3, bro? Mods ban that guy. Alright. Do you guys know how to do this kind of question quicker? The music pisses me off. Is there a quicker way to do it, or I just have to like pick up a random point? For example, 2 is going to be 7, which means that if x is 7, y is 2. I think A. Yeah, like that. All right, we got 3. We got all 4. use a calculator? I have a calculator actually. I don't need it though. Verify, blah 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 blah. We're super smart, bro. Wait, hold on. Wait, what? There's no quiz? Oh, it's still here. Now we got this, bro. We got this. We don't even need to watch any videos. Okay, maybe we do. I can watch the videos. Oh, there's a calc right here. Alright. It's free calc, you don't need a calc. Alright. Our invertible functions. Write a simplified function of g of f of x in terms of x. Oh god. It's gonna be a long one. Bet. Bro, what is... Okay, y'all, it's stuck there now. Things digital for the £5 pounds. Counting or not counting non-calculator papers. Up to you, man, honestly. Let's see here. F of x is 8 of... Let's write f of x. Which means it's gonna be g of... Fuck. 8x minus 7. Why is my mouse? Okay, so it's 8x minus 7 plus 7 over 8. This is cancelled, so the answer is x. Alright. X is the answer. Our functions f and g inverses. Wait, how? Oh no, I don't know. I think it is because it seems like, you know, they're both, it's getting x. Let me guess. Yes. Step by step. All right, so we get x. F and G are inverted because they are invertible, and G and F. Oh, because they're inverses, right? It's like saying multiplying by 5. Let's say multiplying by 5 and then dividing by 5 is gonna give the same answer. Should be the same thing. Okay, we learn something new every day. Base and big chungus pill. What the hell? Alright. Let's simplify this. So f of g of x. So g of x is that. Alright, so f of 4 times 1/4. Oh god, why is it over there? 1/4 x plus 3 minus 3. Obviously this cancelled. It's 4x plus... Ooh, 12. No, x plus... Wait, am I doing this right? Am I doing this right? G of x is this, and then f of g of x. So, yeah, it's 4 times 1/4 x plus 3 minus 3. Okay, x plus... This is 12. 9. So no, it's not. X plus 9, no. Okay, we're doing it. We're doing it. I got it right. Educational streamer, bro. Nominated for best streamer in the planet for, you know, giving the most useful learning information. We are trying to get flame. All right, stretching. Ouch. All right. Here's some tables. Complete a table for a composite function of x. All right. So f of x is 100, 100, 105, 94. G of f of x. Oh god, I have to do this again. So f of x of f of 114 is 82. G of 82 is 114. Alright? 119 gives 77 and 77 gives 119. So yes. Alright, bet. You're on the naughty list. Why? Alright, let's see what this is. Let's see this one. If I ever forget the quadratic equation, you guys can execute me. I'll never forget that. And I'm gonna tattoo that when I'm like 800 years old. What is the value of m of n of 3? So n of 3 is 27 plus 4, 31. And m of 31 is 31 minus 4, 27, divided by 9, which is 3. And then n of m of minus 2. So m of minus 2, that is negative 6 over 9, so that is negative 2/3. Alright. And then n of minus 2/3. So 9 times negative 2/3, which is negative 6, plus 4, negative 2. Because 9, you know, it's gonna make negative 6 plus 4, negative 2. So, okay. They're both good. Yes. No, 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 no! There's a faster method. Wait, what's the faster method? Wait. What's the faster method? Hold on. Because it's actually super slow. Also, I got it wrong. The faster is probably noticing that. Just put the entire function instead of x, you will see it. You just probably notice. Alright. Also, by the way, I got it wrong because I didn't even put the values. Whoops. Sorry. So 9 times x plus 4. X minus 4. See, notice how multiply by positive 9, multiply by 9 plus 4. Reverse the order, x minus 4 and then all divided by 9. I think. God, oh god, the urge to get some food, bro. I don't want to though. Should I even do this quiz? Let's see if I can even do it. Invertible function. Let me lower down my brightness. Oh, by the way, guys, let me give you guys some real life updates. I'm still not in college. My move-in date, the very first day. If you guys are wondering why I don't do like some IRL kind of videos, or it's because I don't live alone, and I'm much more comfortable doing it when I'm alone in college and going on my Anspo arc. Not really. We'll see. I'm still wondering about if it's even possible to do some good content that's IRL. Or even just do video essays with IRL segments. I don't know. But I will say that the first day I get to live alone is like February, late February. So I got like 4 months, 3 months left until I do that. I'm just kind of fucking sick, bro. Face reveal. I already did that like 3 times. Y'all just gotta find it. Like an Easter egg hunt trying to find a face cam. Anyways. Twitch intervals can restrict the domain to make f an invertible function. Domain of f. Domain of f. 1 to 6. So 1. Okay. -8. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, I'm dumb. I thought they was talking about. Oh my god. Falling off. I don't want to do this thing. A is -8. B is -5. 0. 7. 0. No. Bro, your voice. What did I do? What did I do? Screw this song. The song is so freaking awful. What should I search though? Oh, I know. I have an idea.
Gooning civilization. The first thing you have to do every day is go to your gooning partner and goon with them. Okay, bro. Are you ready, man? Are you ready?
Yeah, man.
Alright, the table shows a few inputs. What is the value of r minus 1 of minus 20? Minus 2.
Okay, now, bro, you do me.
All right, here I go.
2 times x to the third. And then, look at that. Notice how it's now root 3 and then all over 2. So
I'll miss you too, man.
Okay, I guess it's goodbye, man.
should be. Okay, thank you to that one chatter. Appreciate it a lot.
Okay, just one more for the road, man. Just one more.
Okay.
Alright. What is the value of g minus 1 of minus 1? So let's go to minus 1. Instead of x, we're gonna go for the y value.
Damn, I love gooning. Damn, I love gooning.
5.
Okay, this is me going to the second level. I climbed all the end rods, you know. And boom,
I don't want to do the unit test. I'm good, bro. I'm good.
This is gooning civilization level
Ooh,
2.
trick values of pi. Okay.
Very careful not to let any end rod get too deep, because if an end rod gets too deep, well, let's just say you'll start glowing from the inside. After you get settled from waking up, you have to go to your clapping machine and get ready to get clapped. And these machines, well,
Oh god, bro.
a little bit bigger on level 2. Okay, here I
The
go.
value of special angles. I think I know this. Pi, all you have to know is pi is 180. So pi over 6 is 30. Pi over 4 is 45. Pi over 3 is 60. We have to know.
Damn, I kind of liked it, to be honest. Once you're done with your clap machine, you're able to go to your
Whirl,
goon
can you eat a
partner's
lemon for
club.
no
With
reason? I
this
don't have one.
Get a new goon partner. Well, more like goon mob.
Let's do this quiz. I feel like I should know this.
Partner, you have to traverse through the Enrod Valley. And
Oh
again,
shit.
You just have to make sure they don't get too deep. All right, here we go.
Oh god, I forgot the sign. Okay, so coast 3/4 pi, which is 135. What is that? No, I forgot the finger method. Close of 135. Sokotoa. No. There's that method about wait, hold on. Trig values. There's that method, bro. Yeah, this one. This is why I don't remember. Yeah, there we go. Hold on. Get the gooning civilization out of the way. So you put your fingers. Your thumb is 0 degrees. Index is 30. Middle is 45. Ring is 60, and then your pinky is 90 degrees. And then there's like a formula for special angles. Yeah, see? Sine is fingers below, the root of fingers below over 2. And then cosine is fingers above over 2. Root of fingers above over 2. And then if it, tangent, because tangent is sine over cosine, is going to be fingers below root over fingers above root. You won't need that. I will. Look. Cosine of this number. And then you just have to get the shortest angle. What do you call that? Relative angle or something like that? Because cosine is 135. But 135 is 45 degrees from the line or something like that. I remember, if I can remember correctly. So let me get my finger. So it's going to be 45 degrees because we don't have to look at the 90 degrees. And then it's going to be fingers. Wait, is it fingers above or below? Okay, so sine is below and cosine is above. So there's 2 above, root 2 over 2. That's what I'm saying. So square root 2 over, 2, and then should be the same here. If I'm wrong, then I'm gonna donate some money. Okay, well, I don't know. Well, let's see how we do this. Yeah, I know it's here. It's 45 degrees. Wait. Yeah, it says find the values. Did I get it wrong? Oh yeah, because cosine talks about the x-axis and sine talks about the y-axis, right? So cosine is on the left side. But the thing is, yeah, left side is negative, so this has to be negative. And then the sine is positive. Fuck! I'm gonna donate some subs, hold on. I don't know how I don't know. Oh my god. That's embarrassing. That's embarrassing. That's embarrassing. I'm gonna gift. Wait, what? Wait, hold on, chat. I'm gonna. This gift. Wait, what? I can just. I can send 10 gifted memberships for free every month? Is that really a thing? What? I did not know that. YouTube, you never told me. I can just send 5 right now? I don't even have to spend money? What the fuck? I don't even have to spend money! Look at that. Yo, YouTube. Hey, thanks to the free memberships, bro. Hey, I like that. I can send 5 more. Okay, there's only 20 people watching, so that's your gift for being the few people who are watching. Alright, there you go. That's your gift. If I get the next one wrong, I'm gonna donate even more money. Because I actually have 5 more free memberships. YouTube knew you were broke. True. I can send 5 more. Y'all, if you're a member, join the Discord server with your name, alright? Make sure that it's your display name or your, your @ I don't even know which one YouTube shows, but make sure it's your name. Make sure it's the right name, and make sure you're not catfishing, because I know when you're lying. It'd be better if you have your YouTube linked to your Discord, so it's easier to verify. Alright, what are the coordinates of point A? Oh, okay. So this is pi over 6. And we have to get this value. So if it's y value, isn't it going to be sine? So sine pi over 6 times this value. I think that's what we're doing. Sine. What is this though? What is this hypotenuse? Oh, we don't know though. So obviously it's going to be 0.5. We just need this y value. But you know what? I like fractions more. Let's do 1/2. Let's try it. So sine pi over 6. Let me figure this out. Sine's above, right? Sine's below. Below above, alright? Sine pi over 6 is 30. So there's 1 below. One half. No, but that's not it. That's not it though. There's no way. Yeah. So it's sine of below. It's root 1 over. That's not right. That is definitely not right. If we're getting this. Damn. My trig is so my algebra skills are there, but my trig is absolutely gone. Let me try tangent. Tangent is not relevant though. Damn, bro. How do you do this? So the radius is a little under 1. You can. Is that? No. Okay, it is 1. Wait, what? Is it a little? Okay, it looked like it's a little under 1. Yeah, it's a little under 1. Cosine. Cosine is root 3 over 2. I feel like that's the only reasonable value. Let me try it. Damn. Damn, bro. Let me see a solution, bro. Oh, I forgot about the special triangles. Yeah, this is pi over 6. This one's going to be pi over 3. Pi over 2 here, which is 90 degrees. The hypotenuse is 1 unit long, but we don't know how long this, we only know how long one leg is. One leg is a half. Oh, which means that this one is a unit 1. Alright, bet. So we have to find the y coordinate. Alright. I forgot. There's a 60, 30, 60, 90 triangle, and there's 45, 45, 45 triangle. Yeah, I remember that shit. The y coordinate of A is equal to the length of the side. Wait, what? The length of this... What? Is equal to the length of the side of the triangle. Okay. So we know that this is 1/2 and this is 1, right? So if it's a 6, if it's this is 1/2 of the hypotenuse is 1. We just have to find this one, and it's going to be root 3 over 2. All right. Under the Pythagorean theorem. Oh, I forgot, chat. So they're using Khan Academy is using Pythagorean to solve it. But we used trig functions to solve it. Because all we did to solve, if you guys, there's two ways. You can use the Pythagorean theorem, realize that this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. This is 1/2 because it says it right here. Realize that if it's 30, 60, 90, one angle is twice the other, so one side is twice the other. This is 1. You just have to solve this one using Pythagorean. Or what you can do is realize that if you want to solve for a leg like this, like you can either use sine or cosine times the hypotenuse itself. You can do that. It's called rearranging the Pythagorean theorem and shit. So it's because sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1, or something like that. I don't know. I'm kind of just throwing all the random fragments of knowledge that I have about this. Something like that. I honestly forgot already. I mean, when I used, it was either sine or cosine to solve for a side. If it's sine and it's 1/2, there's no way this is 1/2. But whatever, bro. Alright, let's just go to the other one. On the following unit circle, theta is in radians. Alright? Without a calculator, evaluate the following expression to the nearest hundredth. Cosine pi plus theta. Shit. How do I know though? Oh, I have to solve this. Alright, hold on. Let me see. I might need a calculator for this one. I think we're starting the calculator meta. I think I have to start getting so by the way, this is 0.83. So like this, and then there's, oh god, that is not a good triangle. Like that. 0.55, and it is 0.83. Find this angle. But I don't have a calculator. Is there Desmos? Let's just go to Desmos, bro. Let's just search that up. See, this is the first time you actually gotta use a calculator, bro. So 0.83 squared plus 0.55. Oh shit, squared and then all of that exponent 1/2. Didn't get because I got the question right. So the answer is like 1. Wait, what? It says 0.995. You skipped the question? Theta is in radians. What did I skip? I don't know what theta is. Oh fuck, I'm dumb. No, the hypotenuse is not 1. Because 1 is the circle. Wait, no. I'm throwing. What the fuck am I doing? One of the sides is 1. Yeah, it's a unit circle. Why does it say 0. Oh, this is 0.83. Okay, I'm throwing so hard, bro. I'm throwing so hard. There you go. I got the circle right. It's always like stuff like that gets me wrong. Like you know it, but like at the same time you're just throwing the question under the bag. It's shit like that. All right, how do I solve for this angle? Let me. Damn it, I don't remember. Shit. What calculator are you using? I'm using Desmos. Bro's using arctangent. Oh wait, no, because arctan is -1, right? Let me search this up. It was arc sine, arc cosine, arc whatever. It's going to be because okay, so I just searched it up. So yeah, it's cosine -1 or sine -1 or something like that, and then adjacent over hypotenuse because cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So it's gonna be like something like we can use any of them honestly, because we can use arc sine, arc tangent, or whatever, because we have all 3 sides already. So it's going to be cosine. I'll pick cosine -1, and then adjacent, which is going to be we're getting this angle, so 0.83 over hypotenuse, which is 1. So that is just going to be a calculator moment right there. Over. Oh, I have to use arccos. Arccos. 3. So it's around. Oh, that's in radians though. 0.59 radians. How many degrees is that? God, where's my settings? I'll put the music back on. Okay, fine. Here's your music. It's not complex. It's just because I don't. It's because I'm trying to fit in all this stuff.
I started bouncing on the things on level 2. I started bouncing on them to go up to level 3.
33.9.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
0.59 radian. That's what I got here.
Level 3, final level. This is Gooning Civilization.
Mother, what is this? What is this audio, bro?
The king of Gooners, who lives in the Goon Castle, and he's the one that grants
Pi.
freedom from Gooning Civilization. And my goal is to get to the king of Gooners so I can get my freedom. But before
I wonder if I should
get
just
to the
skip
castle,
this
I
one,
need my
so
demon
just so I know what to
This
do.
one is the biggest
Let me
of
skip this one.
levels, and I don't even
I just want to know the answer. I just want to know how to solve it. I'm not doing it very efficiently. Yeah, 2 pi is a whole thing minus theta. Alright. Alright. The original ray intersected the unit circle. Oh yeah. Let me give 5 more gifted because I got it wrong. I guess. Thank you, YouTube, for giving me 10 free memberships. Here you guys go.
Oh golly gosh, here we go again. At least I'm loose this time because of the clap.
Bam!
Alright, well, here we go.
Praying I get it. No, you didn't.
Once you finally make to the castle, you're allowed to have an audience with the King of Gooners. And I've heard he's a very scary man. So, I guess wish me luck, dude. Oh golly gosh. Hello? King of Gooners? Is that you?
Ah, so you
I
finally
can't
made
give
it.
any more, right?
Bro, what are you doing here? I thought you were
Oh my god.
What the?
No.
Damn, that's
You wanted to
expensive.
find
I
the
basically
winners
give like
of the crown to, and succeeded
I
in
basically
doing
gave
so
like
like
$30 worth of memberships for free.
Yes,
Damn,
but
alright.
you have to show me what you got first.
Yeah, I'll show you what I got. Here I go.
What the fuck?
How was that, dude? Was that good?
The gooning civilization. Alright, bet. Alright, let me do this. Alright. The ray representing pi plus theta is a half-turn rotation of the ray representing theta about the origin. What does that mean? The ray representing... What? What are you talking about? Aren't they talking about the angle? Yeah, pi plus theta. So just like that, and then a little bit more. And then 2 pi, which is like the full circle minus theta, and theta is like the entire thing. Okay. Rotating by pi radians. Pi radians is 180. About the origin means the image ray. Wait, where are we? What? This is theta? Oh, I don't have to know anything. I actually don't know how to understand this question, bro. The cosine depends on the x value, so cosine of pi plus theta is equal to what? Khan Academy, bro, you're confusing the hell out of me. I'm gonna get like $20 back? I don't think so. I think it's just YouTube, you know, giving me free stuff. This is easy. The thing about math is that once you learn it, it's like oh, I know everything. But if you don't, it's like fuck. I'm gonna kill myself. That's the thing about math. So, you know, you just gotta deal with it. And then reflecting over the x-axis reflects a point. Like, what? Note taking. Okay. What the fuck? Alright, whatever. I'll continue this tomorrow. I think every weekday I'll probably do like an hour and a half of studying. Like, here's the thing. I'm still 3 months away from college, guys. I'm 3 months away from college. I can chill for a little bit. Alright. I can just take this slowly. If there's 3 topics I should learn, it's math. I want to do math until like integration. I want to do physics. And I want to do some high-level programming. You know, I had that 2-week phase where you watch like a bunch of C++ tutorials, you know, because I'm doing the Arduino. I have an Arduino, and then I just like never bothered to learn it. I think because I had an idea to make a video about the Arduino, and then I realized I'm not Tech Joy, so you haven't memorized the unit circle? I know the unit circle. I can memorize it, just not that great. I know what pi over 3 is. I know what pi over 12 is. Okay. Which I think is, you know, Calc 1. No, I should do probably finish Calc 1 before college. That's what I'm trying to do. No, I learned pre-calc. Remember, it's been a while since I've been in school, so there's a lot to explain. But let me see if I can if I can edit for like maybe like 20 minutes or something. Let me see if I can do that on stream. Let's see what I can do here.
Damn, that thing jiggled hard. Yeah, you can have my crown. Let me just get down here real quick. Yeah.
Oh, damn. Oh, my.
All right, here you go.
Oh, sweet, dude. Oh, let's go, dude. I guess I'm the king of gainers now. Well, what do I do now?
Oh my god.
Okay, that's it. That's all I have. For now. Ooh. Yeah.
C++ is too hard if you're learning from scratch. It's either that or Python. I know C++ is a little hard. It's just because that's what the Arduino uses. And I'm sure I can learn it. The problem is I just don't have a reason to learn it aside from the Arduino. And I guess college, but it's not even my specialty anyway. I don't know, bro. Oh god, I'm scared. Here we are. Here is Premiere Pro. You know how it is. I don't think you guys can see. I think Premiere Pro has a thing where you just can't see the preview, which is kind of sad. You guys can't see, but well, it is what it is, honestly. Oh, but you guys can hear it at least. Python's probably like the most popular because it's like the easiest thing to learn in the world. I just don't have a reason to learn math because I've always just been nerdy in math. But this shit, maybe if you know, if the fine Huz likes programming and does not associate it with sweaty Discord mods, then maybe I will learn it. Why do I have so many tracks? It's because I have an OBS, alright. OBS has like my OBS, right? I have like 6 audio tracks. That's why there's so many audio tracks, because I separate all of it. Like to a man who has a meal. What's the video about? You can guess. I'll let you guess. I'll just do this. You guys can't even see the video anyway. So I'm just gonna do this. Million memes made about him on TikTok is given every possible facial swap you can imagine and is even stuck in Undertale. What the fuck? Well, there. Well, let's rewind a bit to there. Let's see. What's that? What's that bunny? This freaking bunny is hilarious. If you guys are wondering, this is Premiere Pro 2022. I pirated it from Staria. Thank you, Staria, for giving me this pirate. and I've been using it ever since. That's what it is. Let's rewind a bit. Let's like, do this a little bit. Let's rewind a bit. This is how it is editing. I think I'm gonna do like, I'm gonna probably make videos like less than 15 minutes in the future, because not only am I uploading too infrequently, it's also because it's just painful editing it. Okay, it's painful. A bit to September 9th, 2024. A bit to September. All right. September 9th. And then all. I don't know how to like show the preview on OBS, but you just can't. I don't know how to do it. September 9th, 20. September 9th. Fortnite. Play it again. September 9th, 20. Why is it not in the middle? What am I doing? Why is it like... Oh my god, bruh. Oh my god, bruh. The people who are like, oh, YouTube is so easy, and then you have to edit like this. It's certainly no like manual labor, you're gonna almost die job, but it's not like super... It's not like the easiest job ever. 2024. A day infamous for being... September 9th. Damn, I'm hungry as hell. When are you doing a face reveal? Probably like... I already did though. Just find it. There's like there's one video on my channel where I did a face reveal. Y'all just gotta find it, bro. September 9th, 20... God, bruh. Best Charlie Kirk debate moments. God, it's... Bro, this freaking Jubilee video with Charlie Kirk in it, it's genuinely the worst video I've watched in my entire life. Period. It's the worst video I've ever watched. It's so hard to watch. Alright. Wait, I'm hungry as hell. I wanna go out and get some food. I mean, we've streamed for a little bit. I think I'll end it from here. I think it's getting boring. I think I have to lock in editing, honestly. Yeah. I was thinking about editing on stream, but editing on stream like the most boring thing imaginable. It's even more boring than studying. I don't know how you could, I don't even know how you can do that. But yeah, it's genuinely really boring because I have to be quiet the entire time. When are you doing your next... What the fuck you say? Breastfeeding stream? Brother, what? Okay, bro, whatever. Thanks for watching.